We've got our first big snowfall of 2022. Mark's rigging up a contraption to drag the kids around on the snow. This is new to me. He said he's done this quite a few times. Murphy, what do you think about the snow, huh? What do you think? What do you think about the snow, Murph? Huh? You love the snow? You love it? Hi, Amber. Hi, pretty girl. She thinks I have food. I'm not feeding you. I don't have no food. Nope, nothing? Okay. So let me go back to eating my snow-covered hay then. What do you guys think about the snow? Huh? Come here, kitty. Hi, kitty. Here's my Leo. Say hi, vlog. Muddy little pigs are all huddled together in there, trying to stay warm. The chickens say no, thank you. You guys staying in here, staying warm? We got our two roosters, keeping track of you ladies. How he's chasing them. Paisley,
freaking out.
Paisley, look at your hair.
Yeah, but can you?
Why don't you just let hold.
Paisley, you look like Elsa.
Show me.
Look at your hair. You look like a frozen queen.
Cold. Show me.
Was it cold?
You guys can sit up too if it's easier. We can try it either way.
Get him, Pace. Look out, dogs. Ben's gonna ride next. Look out, Murph. Phoebe! You like that, Phoebe? It's so fun. Hey, Murph. Get him. Get him, Phoebe. Here's some of our muddy piggies. Hi! You guys are dirty. You can't touch the camera. Can't touch the camera. I don't have food. I don't have any food. Oh gosh. I'll think I have something. I don't have food for you. Hi, muddy little things. Hi, guys. Hi there, piggy babies. Hi, piggy babies. Oh!
Wow.
Lexi. Uh-oh. Now you're gonna get it, Lex. Farmer's work is never done. He found one of the posts that the cows had knocked over down there, so he had to go fix that before the whole roof collapsed.